All right, here we have Kentucky 6 railroad crossing in Corbin, Kentucky. Here at the first signal. Wow, it has a Transport Products Corporation base. And you have safe train gate mechanism. And you have CSX emergency information. As you can see, DOT number is 349118H. And the lights are modern industries topped by 20-inch incandescent lights. And here you have energy LED gate lights. And here's the oldest relay case. And here's the second signal. It has safe train base, safe train gate mechanism as well, and safe train topped by 24-inch incandescent lights, and general signals type 2 electronic bell, and Rico LED gate lights. Here's a pathway right here. So yeah, there's no LED upgrade. So yeah, I can get back over here. Okay, there we go. That's a better view. So here I have Kentucky 6, railroad crossing in Corbin, Kentucky. Over and out.